So in this Vista Create tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to justify text here on Vista Create. So once you have the Vista Create website or the application opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to add some text into your design. So just go to the top left here, press on text, or go to the left-hand side and press on text here. It does the exact same thing. So I'll just type in the word justify, and then I'll make the text a little bit larger. So if you want to just justify text for the alignment, it's super straightforward. Press on the text right here, open up this top bar, and where it says align right here, press on that to get these options right here. So you can align it the text to the left, align it to the middle, align it to the right, or in this option right here, justify. So press on justify right here, and there you go. So this way, if you were to keep typing, I'll just type in www. It'll justify the entire text throughout the entire design. So super straightforward. This is how to justify text here on Vista Create. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.